Hello friends, welcome to HZD classes, and in this video we are going to learn about some non-linear equation to the linear equation conversion and how to solve that non-linear equation by converting that equations into linear equation. Practice set 1.4 linear equations in two variables, 10th algebra Maharashtra State Board. Okay, let's start from the first equation. See here. Solve the following simultaneous equation. We have given some simultaneous equation and we have to convert that equation into linear equations, and then we have to solve these equations. Okay, so 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. One thing you remember, that you have to consider these equations into another form, and next thing I will tell you that already I have told you. Okay, so whenever you are going to solve the equation, first calculation is very important part of the equation. So please take care when you are going to solve. Please pay attention at the calculation. Okay, so let's start. So we have to just, this is final solution. Actually, you consider this equation also. Let 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. Okay, I have taken these two variables, okay, at the place of this 1 upon x and 1 upon y. So this equation will be changed. Therefore 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. Okay, first equation. This will be 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. This is equation number 2. Okay, now see that here is 2, here is 8, here is minus 3, here is plus 5, 15, 77. We have to make any one variable same. So better way, I am going to multiply the first equation by 4. So I will get 8a. Okay, so multiply equation 1 by 4 we get. Okay, whatever we get we'll write here. Okay, so multiply this equation. So if I multiply by 4, 2 becomes 4. Okay, so it will 8a. Okay, then minus 3 becomes 12a, and this 15 becomes 60. Okay, so this is equation number 3. Okay, you know very well. Okay, when we just do any process on any equation, we are not going to take that equation for further calculations for the addition and subtraction. So please remember this thing also. So we have just processed on this equation, so forget this equation. Now see that 8a is present in this equation also, in this equation also. Okay, so we will subtract this equation from this second equation. Okay, therefore subtract equation 3 by equation 2 we get. Okay, we have to subtract this, do the proper calculation. So this is first, therefore 8a, okay, plus 5e and is equal to 77. This is equation second. This is 8a minus 12b, sorry, here is b, 12b is equal to 60. Okay, so now we have to subtract. So minus sign, it will be minus become plus and minus. Okay, so minus 8a and plus 8a. Okay, this plus and this is minus. Okay, get cancelled. 5 plus 12, it is 17. b, see that this is plus. Okay, and this is 17. Therefore b is equal to 17 divided by 17. Therefore b is equal to 1. Okay, so now use this value, put b is equal to 1 in equation from this an equation 1. Okay, I am taking equation 1. We get, okay, whatever we'll get we'll write here. So what is equation? 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. Therefore 2a minus 3 into 1 is equal to 15. Therefore 2a minus 3 is equal to 15. Therefore 2a minus will be plus on the RHS. So this 15 plus 3, 18. Okay, 2a, therefore a is equal to 18 divided by 2. Therefore a is equal to 9. Okay, this is second case. But what we have considered, 1 upon x is equal to a. Okay, but 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. Therefore 1 upon x, so what is a? A is equal to 9. 1 upon x is equal to 9, and therefore 1 upon y is equal to, what is y? 1. B is 1. Okay, therefore x is equal to 1 upon 9 and y is equal to 1. Okay, so this is our final solution. So solution you have to write here, solution x comma y. Okay, it is 1 upon 9 comma 1. Okay, so this is final solution. Okay, so in this way we have to solve this equation. One thing remember, that whenever you're going to solve this type of equation, first you have to consider any alphabet, small alphabets a, b, m, n, p, q, like this, for this 1 upon x, 1 upon y, or whatever the given equations are there. Okay, and then just proceed. This is 1, this is second, then do the proper process on that equation, then you will get the similar factor in both of the equation. Just do the subtraction or addition as per the requirement, then you will get this type of solution, and then put the final values, okay, in the considered equations. Okay, consider factors, okay, and then do the calculation. Finally you get this solution. Okay, so this is the problem number 1, and now we are going to solve problem number 2. There are only 4 problems. We will solve these problems and then we will solve the practice set 1.5. Okay, we will solve the second equation in this equation. Okay, 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to 2. Okay, so let we have to consider now 1 upon x plus y is equal to a, and 1 upon x minus y is equal to b. Okay, a and b I have taken. You can take any alphabet, m, n, p, q, whatever you want. Okay, so now therefore 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. This is equation 1. Therefore 15a minus 5b is equal to 2. This is equation number 2. Okay, now see that there is 10a, here is 15a. Okay, 2b here is minus 5b. Okay, 4 and 2. So these two factors are very big in size, so we'll similar these two factors. Okay, so first multiply equation 1 by 5. Okay, by 5, and equation 2 by 2. Okay, equation 2 by 2. Okay, equation 2 by 2. Okay, so we get whatever we get, we'll write here. Okay, therefore now do this. Okay, first multiply by 5, so it is 50a, then this will be 10b, and is equal to multiply by 5, so it is 20. Okay, so this is equation number 3, and therefore this, okay, by 2. Okay, so it is become, see here, by 2 means 15, 30a, this is minus 10b, and this become 4. Okay, so this is for the equation. Okay, now you see that 10b minus 10b plus 10b are same, so add equation 3 and 4. Add equation 3 and 4. Okay, add, just do the addition. Add equation 3 and 4, we get, okay, whatever we will get, we'll write here. Therefore 50a plus 10b is equal to 20. Therefore 30a, okay, minus 10b is equal to 4. Whenever addition, don't change the signs. Okay, no need to change the sign on both of the equation. Okay, minus 10a plus 10a get cancelled. This is 80a. Okay, this is 80a, and now I think something is missing there. I need to check it. Okay, actually this is minus 2. Okay, this is minus 2 because it cannot match, so we have did a mistake. It is minus 2, and therefore it is minus 4. So minus 4, it is 16. Okay, therefore a is equal to 16 divided by 80. Therefore 16 1s are 16, 16 5s. Okay, so a is equal to 1 upon 5. Okay, therefore a is equal to 1 upon 5. Now use this value, put a is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation, where we can put here first equation, in equation 1. Okay, we get, okay, whatever we'll get, we'll write. We get, okay, what is the equation? 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. Therefore 10 into, okay, 1 upon 5 plus 2b is equal to 4. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are, so it is 2 plus 2b is equal to 4. So 2b is equal to 4 minus 2, so 2b is equal to 2. Therefore b is equal to 1. Okay, So these are the final values for a and b only. Now we have to find out the remaining part. But 1 upon x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon x minus y is equal to b. Okay, we have considered this. Therefore 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 5 and 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1. Therefore x plus y is equal to 5. Okay, suppose this is equation number 4. It is 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. It is equation number 6. Now see, x plus y, x minus y. So add equation 5 and 6. Add equation 5 and 6. We get, okay, I have limited space, but you do properly. Therefore x plus y is equal to 5. X minus y is equal to 1. Plus sign is there. Plus y minus y get cancelled. 2x is equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to 3. Okay, now I am writing this side. Put x is equal to 3 in equation, any one equation from this. Okay, 5 we get. So what is equation? X plus y is equal to 5. So 3 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore y is equal to 5 minus 3. Y is equal to 2. Okay, therefore solution, final solution I am writing here. Final solution, solution x comma y is equal to 3 comma 2. Okay, 3 comma 2. Okay, this is final solution. So in this way we have to do this calculation. Okay, very easy. See that all these steps here, in this case we have to take care whenever you're going to do conversion of these factors first, and see these factors which are present in the equation 1 and 2, then do the proper process on these factors. So you'll get two equation in which one of the variable will be same. Okay, cancel that by addition or subtraction. After getting these values a and b or m and n, p, q, whatever there, then you have to put that values in the initial factors, and the procedure is same again. You have to do the cross multiplication, whatever the possible multiplication is there. Okay, and do very correctly, because whenever you take care about your calculation, you will get correct solution only. Okay, so this is equation number 2, and now we are going to solve equation number 3. Okay, we'll solve equation number 3. In this case, 27x upon x minus 2 plus 31y plus 3 is equal to 85. 31x minus 2 plus 27y plus 3 is equal to 89. Okay, so let 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to a and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to b. Okay, therefore this equation changes. 27a plus 31b is equal to 85, equation 1, and therefore 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. This is equation number 2. We know that if this type of values are alternately given in any linear equation, then we have to add that equation one time and we have to subtract that equation one time, and whatever the equation obtained, we have to just do the process on that equation. Finally we'll get solution. Okay, so therefore add equation 1 and 2 and subtract equation 2 by equation 1. Okay, by equation 1. Okay, 2 by 1. Okay, we get whatever we will get, we'll write. Okay, so first add. Okay, add 1 2 and subtract equation 2 by 1. Okay, so whatever there, 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. Therefore 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. We have to add these. Okay, just add. Okay, so what is there? So this is 58a plus 58b. So this is 4 and 174. Okay, so now, okay, divide. So therefore a plus b is equal to 3. This is equation number 3. Divide by 58. Okay, divide by 58. Okay, so one time we have to subtract 27a plus 31b 85. Then for 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. So once we have to subtract means minus minus minus. Okay, now see that what is difference between 4. Okay, so minus 4a, here will be plus 4b, and now a is minus 4. Okay, therefore minus a plus b is equal to minus 1 divide by 4. Okay, so this is equation number 4. Okay, so this is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. Now you can see that here is minus a, here is plus a. Okay, so just add equation 3 and 4. Okay, add equation 3 and 4. We get whatever we will get, we will write. Okay, we get. So what is equation 3? A plus b is equal to 3. What is equation 4? Minus a plus b is equal to minus 1. So do the addition. Minus a plus a get cancelled. 2b and here is 2, therefore b is equal to 1. Okay, so now put b is equal to 1 in equation, any one equation. Okay, from this 3 we get whatever we'll get, we'll write here. Okay, so a plus b is equal to 3, so a plus 1 is equal to 3, therefore a 3 minus 1, therefore a is equal to 2. Okay, we got these two values for a and b, but we know that 1x minus 2 is equal to a and 1y plus 3 is equal to b. Okay, so now therefore 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to 2 and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 1. Okay, so now what is there, see that. Okay, so this will go there, so it become 2x minus 4. Okay, this become 2x minus 4 because this is multiple to this, there is no, means is equal to 1, and y plus 3 is equal to 1. Okay, so this is final, so this minus will be plus, so 2x 1 plus 4 and y is equal to 1 minus 3. Okay, therefore y is equal to minus 2. This is here finish, and here is therefore 2x is equal to 5, therefore x is equal to 5 divided by 2. Okay, so solution. Okay, therefore solution I'm writing here x comma y is equal to 5 upon 2 and minus 2. Okay, so this is final solution. Okay, but I have told you that whenever you're going to do the process very accurately, because if you make any mistake in calculation, then your whole problem will be get disturbed. Okay, you will lose your time, there will be overwriting in examination. So better way, please, okay, do the perfect calculation, so you'll get perfect solution. Okay, so this is first part, these values are here, just put the alternate values and finally do the calculation, you will get your solution. Okay, this is problem number 3, and now we are going to solve last problem, problem number 4, and then we'll move towards the practice set 1.5. It is based on the application of linear equations into variables. Okay, now we'll solve the last problem, fourth problem of this practice set 1.4, and then we'll complete this practice set. Okay, so 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. 1 upon 2 in the bracket 3x plus y and minus 1 upon 2 into bracket 3x plus minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. So let we have to consider 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. Okay, so just consider this. Okay, I'm just putting the brackets because I have written very close. Okay, therefore a plus b is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, I will get this, therefore 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. Okay, this is equation number 1, and this equation therefore 1. Okay, it is a upon 2 minus a upon 2 minus b upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 8. So multiply by 2, you will get what? You will get a minus b is equal to minus 1 by 4. Okay, multiply by 2. Okay, multiply by 2 and Okay, here is nothing. Okay, we have did the process. Okay, or here you can write multiply by 4. Okay, multiply by 4, so you'll get this. So it is 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. Okay, equation number 2. Now here is 4b plus, it is 4b minus. Okay, so add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2, we get whatever we'll get, we'll write here. Okay, so therefore 4a plus 4b is equal to 3, and 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. We have to just add this. Okay, minus and plus 4b will get cancelled. There is 8a, 3 minus 1, it is 2. A is equal to 2 divided by 8. Therefore a is equal to 1 upon 4. Okay, so this is first. A is equal to 1 upon 4. Okay, 1 upon 4. Okay, if you want to write, you can write here also, but we'll continue there. Okay, put a is equal to 1 upon 4 in equation 1. Okay, we get, so what we'll get, what is equation 1? This is, okay, 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. So 4 into 1 upon 4 plus 4b is equal to 3. This get cancelled. 1 plus 4b is equal to 3. Therefore 4b is equal to 3 minus 1. 4b is equal to 2. b is equal to 2 divided by 4. Therefore b is equal to 1/2. Okay, this is second value. Okay, we have got 1, a is equal to 1 upon 4, b is equal to, but we know that 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. Therefore 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 1 upon 4, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, therefore 3x plus y is equal to 4. Okay, this is equation number, suppose 3, and 3x minus y is equal to 2, equation number 4. Okay, c plus y minus y, add equation 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4. Okay, we get, what will get, so 3x plus y is equal to 4, 3x minus y is equal to 2. So we have to add this. So minus y plus y get cancelled. 6x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 1. This is first value. Put x is equal to 1 in equation. Okay, any one equation. Suppose equation 3. Okay, we get, so what is equations? 3x plus y is equal to 4. So 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 minus 3. Therefore y is equal to 1. Okay, so both are 1. Okay, therefore solution x comma y is equal to 1 comma 1. Okay, this is the final solution. Okay, in this way we have to solve this. Actually this type of equation required more space. Okay, so please try to learn these equations very carefully. One thing I will clear you, that if you do the proper practice now, then these all equations are very easy. अगर आप सही तरीके से प्रैक्टिस करते हो तो ये सारे के सारे equations बहुत ज़्यादा easy. Okay, and you can easily solve this type of equation. Okay, this is last problem. Next practice is belongs to the applications of the linear equation in two variables, and it contains only word problems. Okay, and that all problems are also very easy. We will solve that problems, and finally we'll solve the problem set. You will get very soon the videos of geometry part also and science also, but I have the problem of Wi-Fi connection. That's why I cannot upload very fast all the videos. But as this lockdown will be over, then I will upload very fast all videos, and you will get the benefit of all that videos. Thanks, and keep watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon button so you will get the notification of upcoming videos on time. Thanks, and have a nice time.